In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Prediction of Press Fit Quality via Data Mining Techniques and Artificial Intelligence. Data mining consists of set of techniques that enables the extraction of useful and comprehensible information from large volumes of data. Increasingly, most organizations are attempting to utilize available information with the aim of detecting trends and behaviors in advance by using predictive techniques to facilitate proactive decision making. All hardware machines consist of many particles, and each particle will be having some size and shape to get fixed into the machine, and having proper size of particles can help in making machine with less efforts and time, and this technique is called as fit effect. So in this project we are using machine learning algorithms to predict whether the size or shape of the particle is correct or incorrect. The main objective of this paper is to predict the press fit, that the size and shape of the particles are correct or not, by evaluating three algorithms, that are K nearest neighbor, Navi Bayes and K48 decision tree algorithm. Hardware requirements: we need operating system Windows, processor i5 and above, RAM 4GB and above, hard disk 20GB and above. Coming to the software requirements, we need to install Python with the version of 3.7. Methodologies: to implement this project, we have introduced a few modules. First one, upload press fit dataset. In this module, we are going to upload the dataset to this application. Second module, generate press fit train and test model. In this module, we are going to split the dataset into 80% of dataset application for the training part and 20% of dataset application for the testing part to train the machine learning algorithms. Next module, run CNN algorithm. In this module, we are going to take the training part of the dataset to build the model, and testing part of the dataset to get the accuracy, precision and recall score. Then next module, run Navi Bayes algorithm. In this module, we are going to take the training part for the training and building algorithm of Navi Bayes, and also we are going to test with the test data by the Navi Bayes algorithm to get accuracy, precision and recall score. Next module, run J48 decision tree algorithm. In this module, we are going to upload the training dataset to build the model, and also testing dataset to get the accuracy score calculated. Then next module, generate associated rules. We are going to generate the associated rule based upon the classifier. Associated rules are mined in a two-step process, consist of frequent item set mining followed by the rules generation. The first step searches for the patterns of the attribute values pairs that occurs repeatedly in the dataset, where each attribute value is considered as an item. Then next module, that is classify new records and represent knowledge via ontology. So in this module, we are going to take the new test data and test the algorithm to get the output based upon the ontology dataset by using that press fit is predicted or not. Then last module, that is precision recall and F measure graph. In this module, we are going to plot the graphical representation of the different types of algorithms which we use in this project, and we get in this graph precision recall and F1 score and also accuracy of the algorithms. Now coming to the execution, close this graph and close this file and go to the code file. This is the code file, consists of dataset file. It contains input, training and testing files, and these are the code files, and this is run bat file. Instead of executing the code file command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the program. By clicking double tap on it, it leads to the graphical user interface, which creates the graphical user interface and interactive to the program user. Now Click on the first button, that is upload PressFit dataset. By clicking this button, you can see the dialog box open and select the dataset and click on the open. So you can see that dataset is loaded and you can find the records. Now click on the next button, generate PressFit train and test model. By clicking this button, the records of the dataset was split into the training part and testing part, and you can see the features. Now click on the run KNN algorithm. By clicking this button, you can see the precision recall and F1 score of the KNN algorithm. Click on the Run Navi-Bayes algorithm button. By clicking this button, you can see the Navi-Bayes algorithm's precision recall and F1 score. Then click on the Run J48 decision tree algorithm. By clicking this button, you can see the precision recall and F1 score of the J48 decision tree algorithm. Click on the button Generate Associated Rules. This will generate the associated rules for the classifier algorithm that are there in the attributes of the dataset and gives us the output of the association rules formed. What are the association rules? Mainly minded in a two-stepped processing consisting of frequent item set mined followed by the rule generation. The first step searches for the pattern of the attribute of the variable value pairs that occurs repeatedly in the dataset, and also each attribute value pairs is considered an item. You can see the rules and also the support and confidence of the associated rules of the classifier here. Now click on the classify new records and represent knowledge via ontology. By clicking this button, you can select that test dataset and click on the open button. You can see the records which are generated based upon the algorithm which was predicted best. Now you can see the outputs of the PressFit correct or incorrect, correct and incorrect with the models, and also you can see the serialization of samples which are present in the test data. Now click on the last button, that is precision recall and F1 measure of the graph. By clicking this button, you can see whatever the attributes we are used in these algorithms, and also you can see the algorithms precision recall and F1, precision recall and F1 of the three algorithms KNN, Navi-Bayes and also J48 algorithm. So in this graph you can find that Navi-Bayes algorithm was predicted with the best accuracy. In the x-axis you can see the label of the algorithms, and in the y-axis you can see the frequency levels of precision recall and F1 score measures. Now close this representation and close the user interface and go to the conclusion. In this project, we have found that by using different algorithms, the best accuracy score was Navi-Bayes algorithm, which provides the user with the more elements for decision making. So, in this project, we can also provide the user to make the best recommendation customized for the results based upon the PressFit classification.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.